Hi everybody, welcome to Decode Australia. Today is Thursday, September the 17th, 2020. My name is Tamer.
Hi everyone, my name is Yvonne.
And we're going to be starting the Euro USD analysis.
The euro plunged against the US dollar on Thursday, which is today, decreasing the price of the euro-US pair to less than 1.9100 ahead of the release of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index news. The technical bias remained bullish since the price of the euro-US pair printed a higher high in the recent upside move.
Now, the euro-US is currently trading around the 1.1815 with the following support levels. If you look at the chart closely, you'll find this first support is at 1.1753, which is the lower trend line arm. Second support is at 1.1707, which is the 23.6 Fibonacci level. And finally, the third support is the 1.1695, which is the low of August 3, 2020. On the upside, the Euro-US may face the following resistance levels. At resistance 1 is the 1.1900, which is the confluence of horizontal resistance level and a psychological number. Secondly, the second resistance is at 1.1966, which is the high of August 31st this year. And finally, the third resistance at 1.2010, which is a major horizontal resistance area. The technical bias remains bullish as long as the 1.1707, which is a Fibonacci level, remains intact.
Now, the Michigan Consumer Price Index news. The University of Michigan is about to release numbers concerning the CPI on Friday. According to the Economist forecast, the Michigan Consumer Price Index registered a reading of 75 in September as compared to the reading of 74.1 in the month before. The Michigan Consumer Price Index reflects the level of consumer confidence in the country's economy. It also reviews information concerning consumers' future spending patterns. Generally speaking, a high reading anticipates a bearish trend for the Euro-US and vice versa.
Now, in conclusion, considering the overall economic activity of the pair over the last few days, buying the pair around the current levels might still yield some good results in the medium to short-term trading. Now, let's move on to the USCAD, the loonie.
The US dollar rose against the Canadian dollar on Wednesday, which is today. Wednesday? Today's Thursday.
Well,
Wednesday?
it's saying yesterday.
Okay.
It's saying yesterday, yeah.
Okay.
So just don't say today, just say Wednesday.
Okay. The US dollar rose against the Canadian dollar on Wednesday, increasing the price of USCAD pair to more than 1.3100 ahead of release of Canada's retail sales news. The technical bias remained bearish since the price of the pair printed a lower low in the recent downside move.
Okay, now this pair is currently strengthening around the 1.3177, and you'll come across the following resistance levels, and it may face some tough time moving forward. Now, resistance 1 is the 1.3216, which is the upper trend line arm. At second resistance, you'll find the 23.6 Fibonacci level, which is at 1.3290. And finally, the third resistance is the high of August 11 this year, which is at 1.3361. On the downside, the price might find a few significant support levels near the price, which you can see on the chart. At support 1 is 1.3127, which is the low of September 16 this year. At support 2 is a 1.3100, which is a psychological level. And finally, the third support is at 1.3025, which is a key horizontal support area. The technical bias is expected to remain bearish as long as the 1.3604, which is a major horizontal resistance level, remains intact.
Canada retail sales news. Statistics Canada is all set to release numbers concerning Canada's retail sales news on September 18th, which is this Friday. According to the average estimates of economists, the figure for Canada retail sales news registered a reading of 1% in July as compared to the reading of 23.7% in the month before. The Canada retail sales numbers reflects estimated worth of goods sold by the retail stores in Canada. The number is evaluated after taking into account the data taken from the stores of different sizes on a sampling basis. This data also shows the performance of the retail sector of the country over the due course of time. Generally speaking, a higher reading anticipates a bearish trend for the USDCAD pair and vice versa.
Okay, in conclusion, given the economic outlook for over the pair over the past few days, selling this pair around the current levels might be a good move for the short-term trading. But as always, when trading, trade with only what you can afford to lose and apply strict money and risk management techniques.
And please also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our Facebook page, and follow our Instagram at Forex Decoded. And you can also like our video and comment down below. Let me know what's your thoughts.
Thanks for watching. Until tomorrow, see you later.
See you tomorrow.